Hi everyone, this is Renerworld. Here I want to take you through this 10 kVA hybrid inverter system installed with 2 units of 50 kilowatt lithium-ion battery. This is our power. This is more like the powerhouse for this building. We have this 10 kVA hybrid inverter with 2 MPPT PV inputs, and each of these PV inputs comes with a capacity of 5,400 watt. And it is good to note that this particular inverter is high voltage inverter. It can take as high as about 450 volt PV input, which makes it very sweet for combining so much solar panels together, and it helps you to bring so much energy in. So with this, you can have 2 different arrays of solar panels connected to this inverter, which is exactly what we do for this installation. We have 10 units of 590 watts solar panels connected to one part of the MPPT input, and we have another 10 units of 590 watt solar panels connected to another part, which is PV2 input part of the system. So one beautiful thing about this system is this combiner box, and the important thing about it is that each of the positive and negative arm of the solar panel input has its own fuses connected to them. You can see that we have about 4 fuses here, each for the different positive negative for the first array, positive negative for the second array, and we have the DC surge protector before we now have our DC breaker right over here. So we also have this our AC combiner box, where we have our AC breaker for inputs, AC breaker for output, and our AC surge protector right here. So this battery, the beautiful thing about this battery is the fact that by the time you actually go through certain parts of it, you can easily check the cells of your battery right from here. You can check each of the cells from here, and it's good to know that this battery, you can also monitor each of these cells right from your mobile device. From here you can see the cell voltage, the cell how the BMS in your battery is balancing the cells of your battery, which is a very good thing to help you know the health of your battery cells. And we can see that it's already identified that the 2 batteries are connected in parallel. So it's designed for one to be the master while the other is the slave. So this is a 15 kilowatt lithium-ion battery. The system comes with a Wi-Fi system, and the implication is that you can monitor it right from your phone to know what is going on, the consumption at any point in time, both the generation consumption and even the NEPA input. You can see everything right from your mobile device. And even from that same mobile device, because this inverter, the BMS is also connected to the battery BMS is also connected to the inverter. So the inverter monitors everything to ensure a very fast and efficient charging system for the battery and balancing of the cells. We have here a 10 kVA stabilizer, which is exactly here for the protection of our inverter input. So the mains comes through the stabilizer first before it goes through the inverter as a form of protection, and also to monitor with any irregularity from the mains. So we have this beautiful system installed for this building to power appliances like AC, water heater, fridge, freezers, and also it's recommended for home. So if you want to totally go off the grid, you can start with this system. 10 kVA hybrid inverter. It is 15 kilowatt lithium-ion battery. 2 units of that, that's a 30 kilowatt lithium, 590 watt solar panel, 20 units of it. That's almost 10 kilowatt generation at every point in time. So it's a very good system, recommended for homes, and even as a startup for some businesses that don't use too much of industrial machinery and all. So thank you for joining us on this series of Renerworld entrepreneurship for our solar PV system. We'd like to have you next time. Thank you.